James, take one. Mixing clear coat.
Oh, get your camera out of the way because I need to put my gun in the camera.
Welcome to the channel, folks. It's that time. Finally, we paint the engine bay. Well, I don't. James does. As you can see, I tend to get in his way often. He makes fun of me. I laugh a lot. He ends up laughing at the end of the day. Okay, first things first, everything gets covered in plastic. Make sure no overspray. Then James will do, we've already done the primer coat and I've sanded. He's going to do a sealer and then a base coat and then finally the clear coat, and then we'll let it sit for a few days there. Seen this done before, but honestly, it is an art and it takes a lot of skill to not mess it up, which is why I'm not allowed to do it. I know. It looks so good. James, take one. Mixing clear coat.
Oh, get your camera out of the way because I need to put my gun in the camera.
No, that's okay. I run a child-friendly service here.
No, I do not.
I love this job.
I hate you.
All right, team. Finally, I got kicked out of the shop before the clear coat went on the other day. So, supposed to let it sit for a few days. However, today we are going to unveil what it looks like on the engine bay. Now, keep in mind that this isn't supposed to be perfect by no means, just a little bit better than it was before with the 18 gazillion holes. So from a paint color standpoint, this is a custom color based off of a metallic gray from Ford with a little JC twist to it. So here we go. So as you can see, a lot of holes filled in. For those of you that are Ford people, you can see exactly kind of what happened here. A lot of work went into this, a lot of really crappy welds, but from a color standpoint, I am absolutely stoked. So really excited for this. More to come.